Right, so this isn't what I wanted to do today. I also have no idea if this is in focus because I haven't dealt with these lenses yet. Okay, step one. My computer won't boot up. Okay, maybe that's not step one. It went out during a little power blip. Back onion's okay, so data's good there, but Badonkadonk's not booting up. Let's go down this troubleshooting rabbit hole and hopefully I don't have to make a trip to Micro Center. But that could be fun. Badonkadonk lives down in that dark cubby there. That's the power cable for it. And it don't reach. Wait, I can reorientate this. I'm a smart man. I'm smart. Yes, I am. All right, so that's power. That's on. That's gonna be going in the right port. That's the wrong way. That's also, what am I doing here? I hate DisplayPort. DisplayPort freaking sucks. Okay, no, you've got to go like that. Like that. See, third time, every time. And hit the power button. It lives! Please post. Please post. Please post. Please post. What? Come on. Yes! Okay. Why wouldn't you have boot up immediately? You know what? I'm not questioning this anymore. Okay, so we're back. We're back. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's wonderful. And if it's not, well, then we're just gonna have to deal with it. This is actually probably a good time to dust everything out in here because that is very unhealthy, that amount of dust. All right, so I do actually have some canned air here. It's Staples brand. Just gonna kind of. Oh God! Oh, this was a terrible idea. Why am I doing it this way? Oh God! My wife's giving me the stink eye because I'm blowing dust all over the living room. I'm gonna have to vacuum now. Whoops. Yeah, dust. Yeah. Honey, would you like some dust? Want some dust? Dust. Have some dust. Yeah. Oops. Hang on. That's energy, man. That's energy, man. What's he got to say here? Probably a BIOS setting to not turn back on after power loss. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah. So through the miracle of jank, I am going to. Oh, I probably shouldn't move that table with the computer still on it. I am going to get the computer back in here. I'm going to rewire the back. I'm going to run my USB hub a little better. I'm not going to move my power supply for my monitor because that needs to be where it is. But we're going to get this back together and it's all going to work just fine. Because it has to. Okay. Ow! That's my foot. I'm going to take a picture of my motherboard manufacturer brand model thing. It is a B450M Pro-VDH. Lid. I need to put the lid on this thing. Lid. Well, actually, that's no lid. Oh, God. Let me go get a wipe for that. Oh, God, that's messy. Oh, God. All right, got myself a little Swiffer wipe. Just gonna wipe down the top of this guy. Don't use Swiffers on electrical components, because that does bad things. Get a little wipe-a-rooney down here as well. Oh, I think that was a potato chip. Oh, that was disgusting. So, clicks in. Not bothering with screws because I'm not just gonna not bother with them. So you are my USB extension. Good old Mr. Stendo. Let's turn you around a little bit. Spinning you right round, babe, right round like a record. Oh God, that's dusty. Do I have any more air in this can? There we go. Just keep some of those ports. Don't have quite as much dust. All right, so you're gonna be mostly USB 2.0 stuff. So we're gonna put you. Speakers, or my headphones, keyboard, mouse, wireless. Camera. No, because I put the camera in the front then.
It's not gonna reach. Screw it. USB 3.0. Well, it's a waste of a 3.0 port. Screw it. USB 2.0. Alright, fine. F it. What are you? What are you? You are the AC supply for the monitor. You have to, you know what? No, go up here for now. And then you are power supply for the computer. You get to go in there like so. Display ports, display outputs, that's what I need. So I need to rerun my display port cable. Like that. And just reach right in there and pull. Alright, so display port. Screwed this up last time. You got the notch there. You are HDMI to DVI. Or possibly the other way around. But you go to the TV for the YouTubes and all of that wonderful stuff. Get you in there. Screw you down so you don't screw up. Something that I had a gym teacher who said that during rock climbing or rope tying stuff. You screw down so you don't screw up. Okay, what do you go to? What is this? What do you go to? I'm not going to deal with you. Just go away. You hover on my Ethernets. That's how we catch the ether bunnies. And then we've got my VR headset stuff, so make sure we're not tangled there. HDMI out of the video card is there. USB 3.0, yeah. Goes into the blue port. Yeah, nah, mate. I'm gonna go over that cable. Possibly over that cable as well. We're still under the power cable. No, I want to go over the power cable. Get me that extra couple in. Well, it may only be an inch, but hey, listen, every inch counts. That's what I keep getting told anyway. That goes in there. You. USB 3.0, blue to blue, like that. Oh, I'm getting old. You. Now we gotta do this so that we don't tangle up any of these cables back here. That's gonna work good. Yeah. Yep. Then your power. Yep. You have off. You. Oh God, come on. You like that, and then you like that. And then you right on in just like that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We're gonna push the button in a moment. So I might have been a little bit too ham-fisted with this. Oh yeah, no. That cable's getting bound up on something. What are we? Oh no. Oh dear. You guys are gonna take a look for me. You see what that's getting hung up on? No? Useless to me. Useless! I'm gonna do my best impression of a cat. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Oh yeah, that is a real rat's nest of cable on there. You seem to be good now. Do I got slack? Yeah, we got slack. I prefer Microsoft Teams, but you know. That's a joke. Moment of truth now. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna push the button. She lights up. We're gonna check, make sure we get a screen on the main screen, because that's good English. So we got the blue RGB stuff happening here. Wow, this minimum focus is terrible. Please give me something. Please give me something. Battery's exhausted. Right, so I'm gonna finish this on my phone because my battery died in my A7S. We got blue happening here, but I don't have anything here. Oh, I gotta, because that's the power supply for the screen. Get you some power. And yeah. Show me the login screen. Oh yeah, would you look at that? I'm just gonna make sure our secondary display over there works as well.
Yeah, look at that. Check the mixed reality app stuff. Clickety clickety. That's doing a thing. Huh. Put on your headset. Yeah, that works. Well, that was fun and exciting. Let's never do that again. Thank you.